If your tech channel is stuck under 100 views, it's not the algorithm hating you. You're just missing the 3-step psychological trigger that top creators use to dominate the USA market. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to force the YouTube algorithm to push your content to a premium audience, starting right now. Most tech channels focus entirely on tags and keywords. Big mistake. High-paying audiences in the US don't click because of tags. They click because of tension. If your thumbnail doesn't create an immediate question in their mind, and your intro doesn't promise a fast answer, they click away. That kills your audience retention, and YouTube stops promoting you. Step 1. The high-CTR formula. US audiences prefer clean, minimalist designs. Stop putting 10 words of text on your thumbnail. Use a maximum of 3 words that complement, not repeat, the title. If your title is How to Grow Fast, your thumbnail text should simply say, The Hidden Switch. Create curiosity, not clutter. Step 2 is visual pacing. To keep an American viewer engaged, your visuals must change every 3 to 4 seconds. Use B-roll, quick zoom-ins, subtle sound effects, or kinetic text. If your video stays on a static screen for more than 15 seconds, your retention will drop and the algorithm will bury your channel. Step 3. Audience hijacking. Find the top 3 biggest channels in your specific tech niche targeting the US. Look at their most recent viral video. Make a video on the exact same topic, but change the angle or make it twice as fast. YouTube's algorithm loves to suggest fresh content right next to established viral videos. Combine a minimalist thumbnail with fast-paced editing, and your views will scale. Now click on this video right here to learn the exact SEO setup you need to rank in US search results manually, and I'll see you there.